Follow these steps to thoroughly clean the Coravin aerator. First, pry the aerator head from the rubber housing. This may take some force. Unscrew the aerator's twist-on retainer from the head. Pull out the aerator screen from the head. Firmly push the centerpiece out of the head of the aerator. When you are done, you will have 5 parts of the aerator. Soak the aerator parts in warm water for a few minutes. Pay special attention to the screen to make sure there are no cork particles in the holes. After soaking the aerator parts, rinse them under running water. Cork particles may rinse out. Once dried, put the aerator back together. Start by pushing the head centerpiece through the hole to bring them together. Place the screen on the aerator head. Screw the twist-on retainer onto the aerator head to hold the screen in place. Finally, push the aerator head firmly into the rubber housing. For instructions on using your Coravin aerator, refer to our video library. Coravin.